Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a duet video in TikTok, like how you can collaborate with other TikTokers as well. Alright, so open your TikTok application and now select the video that you'd like to duet on. So let me find some awesome video. So if you love twerking, like you can do the duet on this video, or you can even do any funny thing in this video as well. So in order to make a duet video, just tap on the right side the arrow which is called share. If you tap on that, we can see the option duet on the second row. Okay, so tap on the duet. The user has turned the duet off, so this is not the case. We can do the duet with her. So I'm gonna need to find another video where I can do the duet. So let's see this video. So let's see if the duet is available on this or not. So alright, so if I click on the duet, now the process starting right now. So it's processing the video. You can just wait for the few seconds. Alright, so now you need to record your part for the duet. Okay, so this is my current screen and I'll just record the video that goes along with this video. Okay, so yeah, I'll just move this one and I'll stop the recording. Alright, so now the video is recorded, everything is done. I can change the effect from here, even I can flip speed and lot more things. Okay, I'll just hit this OK button right now. Alright, so now the duet is created. Okay, so I'll just tap on this next, and finally the video is ready to post. And as you can see, the duet with the username that I've done duet with. So it is very simple. So just let me show you back. Like if you go on the TikTok, alright, so I'll just exit from here. Just select the user that you'd like to duet, and then you can just tap on this share option and hit the duet. Alright, thank you so much for watching.